Hello friends, and welcome to another quick session of Inclusive Cloud Neo. Today we are going to learn how do you change payment terms of a customer, how are you going to update the existing credit limits of a customer, and if there are any due invoices of the customer, then how can you update the existing due dates. So without wasting any more time, let us get into the application. So ideally, once you're within the application, you can go to Masters and Customer Master. Here, you can search for a particular customer. So you can do it in two ways. You can search for a particular customer, modify that customer. And once you modify the customer, you can give them a credit limit. There's a note here which says that you can put -1 to exclude the customer from credit check, which simply means that that customer can buy as much as he wants in terms of rupee or dollar value from you. There's another thing here which is called the payment terms. That is, in spite of whatever he buys, he needs to return the money in these many days. Now, there are two things here. One is the name of the payment term, which is displayed there, and how much is the credit period and what is the blocking period. So you can ideally put a credit period of 30 days, but give a 5-day grace to the customer and say that the blocking period is 35 days. So after the 30th day, the customer's account does not get locked. It remains open for the next 5 days so that you provision for the money to come in. So that's how you change it manually. You can create more terms. You can also create terms on the fly from here if you have the rights to do so. And you can assign another term to the customer. Now, this may be easy when you have to do it for a single customer, but while you have to do it in bulk, this may seem to be quite daunting. So you can go to Masters, Customer Master, and here you've got something in the triple dot which says update in bulk. So when you look at update in bulk, you have an instruction sheet here. The instructions will give you a blank demo file. Here you have certain mandatory fields like the customer ID, the customer name, the category, and then you can update any of these. So the credit limit is something you can update from here. You can also update the payment terms from here. In case you want to get the existing payment terms, you can select a customer category and do get details. So you'll get all the existing customers with those details. So let me pull up those details for the existing customers. So here you see, I've got these existing customers. They've got, a lot of them have got -1, some of them are blank. They've got a payment term. So I just need to put the new payment term here, which, mind you, has to be the same name as the payment term, what you saw there. So the payment term master is also available in here. And you can see. So ideally, once you're replacing, if you want to put 45 days, you need to choose the payment term name and paste it here. All right. So you can do this and save this file and then just go into bulk update, customer master, update in bulk, choose the category, choose the file, upload it, and so there are these rows in which there's no payment term provided, row number 31, 42. So ideally, you need to give the payment term. So this is row number 31, if you see, row number 42. So you ideally need to give some payment term to these customers. So I'd save this file again and I'll upload it again. So payment term is not provided for row number 69. So I had one more row where I had to provide a payment term. So I save this up again and I choose the category, upload it, and that's about it. I just update this file and all the payment terms and the credit periods get updated. Wasn't it simple? Keep learning with Inclusive Cloud.